At CCI Training Center, we know breaking into cybersecurity can feel overwhelming. That's why we've built a program that's flexible, supportive, and designed to fit your life. Our classes are online, but not on your own. Through synchronous learning, you'll train with your instructor in real time, join 2 live lectures every week, and always have someone there to guide you. And this isn't just about reading or memorizing. It's a performance-based program, which means you'll be doing real hands-on work. Virtual labs, interactive lessons, and simulations that mirror what happens in the field. You'll practice the skills employers expect, from spotting threats to protecting networks, while also preparing for industry-standard certifications like CompTIA Security Plus. That way, you're ready to apply for entry-level IT positions with a focus on security. And the support doesn't stop when classes end. At CCI, we're here for you even after graduation, with career services, guidance, and resources to help you move forward in your career. So if you're ready to take the first step into IT, our cybersecurity program at CCI Training Center is here to help you get there.